Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you click the bell notification right there, and make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you do like this video. And if you're not following me on social media, my social media is Makeup Artist 27 right there. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I already recorded this video, and then I get an email that my box was shipped, and I was like, but I already received the box. So I signed up for the Allure beauty box, and I don't know why, I guess on February 5th I received a box, and I was like, oh, February box. I wasn't thinking that it was January, and I recorded the video saying it was February, so I just decided to just re-record everything again. Actually, where the products came, the pouch, it like broke, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it is here. It also brings like a beauty book. I'm gonna be recording the Allure box, and at the end I'm gonna do the my Boxy Charm. Guys, you don't know what happened to my Boxy Charm. Somebody stole it or something, because it said it delivered on February 12th. It's nowhere to be found. It's not, usually it's on my mailbox because it fits. It wasn't there. Maybe the mail put it somewhere else in another box, and somebody said, oh, makeup, and they just stole it, because it never happened to me. Like, and maybe they put it in my front porch and somebody took it. And usually my neighbor, it's really good, he will grab it for me and then he will give it to me when he sees me, and nothing happened. He hasn't stopped me for anything, and I was like, oh hell no. So I emailed Boxy Charm. They're the greatest. They replaced my box, so I'm gonna be receiving it later. So what I'm gonna do when I do record the March, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for the February. So for now, this is my subscription boxes for the month of February. So I'm gonna start with the Allure box from January. Well, January, February, because it's January. This is gonna be the Allure box, and I'm gonna go real quick. So I can't find one of the products, but okay, one of the products got lost. I don't know what happened to it. One of the products was the Mali Shadow Stick Extra. I don't know where it is, guys. It's not on the box. It's not in the box, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it from the other video I did record. So that's one of the products, and that product, it has a cost of $25. The next product is the OI Scalp and Body Scrub, which I love because this brand, it smells so good too. And this is has a price of $38. Of course, it will be the full size. This is a small size. Next product I have is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil, and it has vitamin C and turmeric, which turmeric is really good. It is good to hydrate and glow. This will be like a good primer. I actually like this. That has a cost of $80, of course, the full size. Next product I have, it's a Sunday Riley 2. This is a high dose serum, and it's advanced strength retinoid serum. Delivers a 6.5 power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoids, I don't know, whatever. It's a serum, and the cost is $85. This is, of course, it's like a trial size, so you're not getting robbed. Next product I have here, it's the Relentless Matte Lip Crayon, and it's like a red, really pretty, so pretty. And then the last product no, that's not the last product. Next product I have is a mask, a Mika Soul Food mask, and it smells so good. Probably, well, it's closed, but, and the lipstick is $22. This is actually $28, and it's just a nourishing mask. You can leave it 5 to 7 minutes. It'll be pretty good. One of the products here I don't have, which is the beauty blender. Maybe they put the wrong pamphlet, because what I did get was nail polish, which is NCLA Los Angeles, and this is like a hot pink. It looks really, really pretty. Not a hot pink, like a neon pink. It looks really pretty. Okay, I found the Mali. Here's the Mali, and I'm gonna do like a swatch. Looks like a Bronx kinda color. I don't know. So this is I believe it's like an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow stick. So this is pretty good. I usually don't use eyeshadow sticks. I don't like it, but that's what I got on the January. Now I'm gonna move on to the February, which is this one, and this is the pamphlet, and I also got a code, like a coupon code for like a jewelry store, 25 gift, something like that. I don't know. This is a pretty pouch, even though my other one broke from last month, which was red, and it broke. I like this one. So this is a pamphlet. Of course, it gives you everything that you receive. So I like it because I can tell you guys the prices. So first thing I see is a mascara from Wonder Beauty, and I already have a mascara from them actually. I got that on the Boxy Charm, but this is a different one. So this is the mascara, and it says it's a high club. It's volume and length mascara. I will have to definitely try this, and the price is $26. Not bad. Next product we see, it's like a metallic eyeshadow trio from a model CO, and the price for this is $15. Of course, I don't think it's the $15 for this small thing, hopefully not, but this is what it looks like. That is really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna stay with this, but that's why I didn't swatch it. I'll probably use it for another giveaway, so help me get there. Next product I receive is Mora Metallics Tried Eye Brush. I don't know if I'm gonna stay with this either, but it's like an angular brush, and this is $4.99. I'm gonna leave it there too. I'm not sure about that. Next product I see here, it's Mamondi Petal Spa Oil to Foam. An oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently soft makeup. So it's like a remover, like an oil. I actually have something like this, like Botacha, and it's really good. This one is $21. I like this stuff because usually for the it runs the makeup really quick, especially since it's oil. Next product we have is like a mask, and this is from the same brand, Mamonde, and it has a Flower Lab Essence mask. It has hibiscus, okay, whatever. And it says it's flowers, I don't know. So the price for this is $7. Alright, let's see what we have next. have two more things here, and I have a Mali product here. I'm trying to see what it is. Looks like a lipstick, like a gloss. I'm not sure if I want something like this, but it has like a brush at the end. It's kind of like it runs the product and stuff, but I don't know if I want that. And the next product I see is a brow gel, and this is from the Brow Gal Tanja. Oh, this is cute. That's cute, because it comes like in the angle. I like this. And this price is $22. The lipstick was $21, so that is, I like this. Some of the stuff I wasn't even dying for it, you know, so it will probably be in a giveaway. You guys help me, I'll do another giveaway. So I said I'm gonna do a 5K, but if I see that we're growing pretty fast, I can do a 2K. So that is the February box for Allure. I'm gonna go into the Ipsy one, and remember I didn't get my Boxy Charm, so this will be the last one. I actually saw my stuff online, so I'm pretty excited. I like the bag. It is really pretty. Definitely like the bag, and this is how the bag looks. Of course, it's February, so it will be with kisses. I'm gonna, this is a product that I redeem with my points. It's the Make Lip Gloss. It's a small, but the color is really pretty. It's like a mauve kind of color right there. I had a bunch of points, so I was like, why not? Next product I have outside, it's a brush. This kind of looks like Jeffree, since it's pink. What do you guys think of that drama with Jeffree? They have said that the synthetic brushes are giving problems. So I want like this. It's really soft actually, and it's the, I don't know which, it's Farah, the Farah brand, and it's the 50F. It's like a very fluffy brush. It looks really soft. It actually looks like the Jeffree, but it doesn't have all that jewel kind of design, you know. But there's a lot of drama with those brushes. I didn't get them because I'm not interested. I have a lot of brushes. Okay, now let's continue with the rest of the products here, and I have 4 more things, and I'm gonna start with, I have a Multi-X Repair Cream. It says for you. It's soothe and repair and hydrate. So I guess it's applied through the face and neck until fully absorb. Okay, so it's like a moisturizer kind of thing, I guess. Next product I have, it's a lipstick. This is from Taga, or not Taga, Laga Prickly Pear. It doesn't have a color actually. It looks like a gloss. I don't know if I'm into the color. It's kind of like a gloss. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I don't want it. Next product I have is an eyeliner pen. It's brown and it's from Shella. I actually have an eyeliner from them, but it's like a lip liner. It's not. So this is good. I like eyeliners. And the last product I have is a highlighter. And this is from Siate. I don't know how to say it. Siate, London. Which is they have nails colors too. Oh, that's okay, you know. Now like everything I get, I'm like, okay, this is good for giveaway. Because, you know, I have so many things, I should just separate it now before I get like, oh my god, and I have to clean up, you know. So that is it. I got all the products here. Everything was nice. I'm not gonna say it was bad, but you know what I did? I already requested to get bumped up again for the Ipsy Glam Bag, to see what else, because I see a lot of videos and I'm seeing good stuff, so let's see. So I changed again. I don't know if they're gonna approve me for March, but hopefully soon they will approve me. But yeah guys, that was all the subscription boxes, one for January, two for February. Boxy Charm is gonna be next month because he disappeared. I don't know what happened. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to subscribe to those Boxy Charms, and if you want to subscribe for those subscription boxes, the links are in the bottom. Allure is $15 monthly, and the first month I think you can do $10, and Ipsy Bag is $10, and if you do subscribe for the Ipsy Glam Bag is $25. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys next time.